football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony and Nala, and today I'm just going to do an unboxing video. This is something I bought to help improve the quality of the morning show I do with Nate every day I'm hustling. It's called Ecom and Beyond. We do it Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that rotates between my channel and Nate's channel. And I'm going to actually link him down below so that if you're not subscribed to him, you can go sub to his channel. He's on the road to 1K, so any help that you guys can give him in getting there would be greatly appreciated. But without further ado, I'm going to open this because even Hunter wants to know what's in there. Huh? Ain't that right? So let's open this bad boy up. I am upstairs, so I don't have my box knife or anything, so I'm going to have to use a pen. So it's going to be a little bit ghetto, but I'm used to ghetto. And if you've been watching the channel long enough, you should be used to ghetto as well. Because it's kind of how I roll around here. Try not to reveal my address. This thing's going to be pretty epic, guys. Been looking forward to get one of these for a little while now. Nate recently just upgraded with one. Let me show you what I'm working with here, guys. Check this thing out, guys. Awesome brand new blue Yeti microphone. So I didn't invest yet in getting the what's the thing called, the arm. So I'm gonna try it first with the thing just kind of sitting on my desk. Comes with a little voice thing. I don't really know the point of having one of these, but it's kind of cool looking, so I'll use it. Like, hello, look at me, I'm official, I have a microphone, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, it comes with that. And then the cord to connect it to the computer. So, I will probably try this for the very first time tomorrow for the morning show. So, definitely tune in and check that out. Be real eager to share how it goes and everything like that with you guys. And this is used, but it's in really good condition, so it doesn't really look beat up or anything like that. I did get this on Mercari. Last month they had a giveaway on there. Well, not really a giveaway, but for listing so many items they gave you credit. So I had a $10 credit on my Mercari, so I put that towards this. Because this is something that's going to be important to growing the morning show and everything like that. So we want to continue to give you guys better quality content and everything like that. So I appreciate you guys watching this unboxing. I know that this was nothing big or nothing, too fancy, but I just wanted to make sure that I recorded and I shared this with you guys because this is part of my journey. Through reselling and through YouTube is improving little by little. And this is just another step in that direction. You can see that there's like a little scratch or something here that I just saw, but the description said, used, does show signs of wear, but nothing major, which is nothing major. Like that's perfectly fine for me. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's different volume levels. There's a mute on here. What else is there? Pattern. I'm not entirely sure how that works just yet. There's a gain. So I'll probably have to do a little bit of research on this, but I'm going to definitely have this hooked up for tomorrow morning. So you should see this very soon. Coming to a YouTube channel near you. And my cat is obsessed with boxes and packing supplies. So as you see, he's about to go to town. Luckily, I have all of the stuff that he can mess with outside of the box already. Nala, why don't you say hi and tell everybody to like and subscribe for more content. because we do daily content on this channel, don't we, buddy? We put out daily vlogs, morning shows, yard sale, thrifting, all kinds of good stuff on this channel, right, Nala? As you just continue to walk in front of my camera like I'm not recording for YouTube. Well, guys, I definitely appreciate you watching. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you guys tomorrow.